Jim, if I could switch back to you, I think that relates back to the question that you raised earlier about a care budget. I think that's what you called it, that's being put forward by a number of women across the country. And I mean, I think, that whole question that seems to be gaining some momentum, that people are getting it, that we need to have a budget that responds to the real needs of people. So just any further thoughts on how can we I mean, you're an economist, but it seems to me that we need to link up these questions around the economy and make them popular with people and show people how they can move those questions forward in a real political way.
Oh, you're quite right, Libby. In fact, this subject is far too important to be left to the economists. It has to be the rest of society that makes these decisions about what's important and what are our priorities. And this is, again, where we've got a humongous opening right now. The purpose of government is not to balance its books. No one in Canada believes that anymore. The purpose of government is to protect citizens and protect our lives and our health and our environment and our communities. And what's more, government has virtually unlimited financial resources to do that with. So in a way, it's a whole new ball game. And I love this idea of the care economy. I just think it's a fabulous frame. And it should be the fiscal anchor. You know how there's all this discussion about we need a fiscal anchor. This is coming from the architects of austerity, who know they'll be laughed out of the room if they called for a balanced budget right now. So they can't do that. So they're trying to come up with, balanced budget light, in essence, is what that is. A fiscal anchor is their way of saying, okay, well, we're not going to balance the budget, but we still want some kind of hard and fast constraint on what government can and can't do. We should say, no, the actual anchor for the budget should be the health and well-being of Canadians. That's what budgets are supposed to be all about. We've been fighting for that for years through the alternative federal budget and other projects to say it's all about choices. And if anything, we have proven in the last year that we have unlimited choices. We just have to have the political force to push the government to actually do the right thing.